guys, welcome back with the fidget spinner video. Today we are going to do something real cool. Now guys, this is a fidget spinner. Today we're going to balance fidget spinners on stuff. So like this chair. Boom. So that out of the way. And I'm going to try it on stuff. If you try on the campfire, it stands. Wait, it was working before. I tried doing it. See, it stands. But only for like seconds. Anyways, guys. So, you guys like basketball, don't you? Well, I'm gonna make this in the basket. So come with me. So we're gonna go to the basket because it's right over. It's right over here. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make the basket. The fidget spinner while it's spinning. I just missed. Oh my god. And if you try this, you can see if it goes on the ground, it's still spinning. So if you like drop it or something, like, here, I'm gonna drop it. You see it kind of spins. And drop it. Okay, I'm gonna make the basket. Sorry. Okay, let's do this. Oh, so close. You can call me if I suck at basketball. I really do. Oh, look who came out. The little brain who's almost up. Anyways, guys, this is a brain. This is the part of the fidget spinner. See, it's off. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Look, it's wiggly. But if you put this back onto the fidget spinner, it's a whole lot different. Still wiggly, guys, but it's worth it. Wait, I can't get this in. And I suck at this. Anyways, guys, that is the fidget spinner video. So, oh wait, I have lots of more to show you. Anyways, let me just get this stupid thing back on the bearing. Whatever the things are called, they're called bearings, I think. I don't know what they're called. Comment down below what they're called, because I have no idea. Oh, I have a solution for this. You guys, stay here. I'll be back. Sledgehammer. It's not a sledgehammer. It's just something to make the bearing go in because it's out. See? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it got it in. Oh my god, it got it in. Dude. It was like slow-mo. Look. Here, I'll show you. And then it went like, see, it's so good now. Okay. Oh yeah, guys, and if you can do this, you can do it hand to hand. I don't know how to do it yet. Then you can only spin it like that. Oh, Oh, I did it. I did it. See that? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Anyways, so finishing touch for the basket. Oh yeah, the knee part. So easy. So this fidget spinner I think is really cool. It's a 6-minute one. So thank you. Anyways, please hit that red button called subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and then you'll know what videos I published and what videos edited. And so thank you for watching, guys, and with the basket. Oh my god, I swear. Finally, I made it. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.